Changing your profile picture on Google Meet is a straightforward process that can help personalize your account. Follow these steps to update your picture. Step 1. Open Google Account Settings. Go to your web browser and navigate to the Google Account Settings by signing into your Google account. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google service and selecting Manage your Google account. Step 2. Access Personal Info. Once in your Google Account Settings, look for the Personal Info tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 3. Change Profile Picture. In the Personal Info section, find the Profile section. Click on your current profile picture or the placeholder icon next to your name. This will prompt you to upload a new photo. Step 4. Upload a new photo. Choose the option to upload a new photo from your device. Select the image you want to use as your profile picture and follow the prompts to adjust it if necessary. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading and adjusting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Your new picture will now be updated across all Google services, including Google Meet. Now you are all set with a new profile picture for your Google Meet account. Enjoy your updated look.